Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Before we get started, please make sure to subscribe, like, and comment down below. And in today's video, we're going to be looking at a new website that is for 3D designs and circuits. It is called Tinkercad. The website is called tinkercad.com. You just sign in with Google, with your Google account or anything, or like Facebook or whatever you have, and then you just get into this menu. This is the dashboard. So as you can see, this is 3D models. These are the models that I have made. This one's actually really good. So what we're going to be doing in this video, I'm just going to be explaining what Tinkercad is and what you can do with it, and how it's just a great website for expanding your knowledge and stuff about 3D designs and circuits. Now, first of all, let's go to the 3D designs and let's talk about it. 3D designs basically where you can just create a new design, and then you have a wide variety of shapes to choose from and a lot of controls. Some of those controls include copying, pasting, merging, unmerge, aligning, cutting, and a lot more of that stuff. So right now my new design is just loading. So basically, when you want to design a 3D model, of course you're gonna have to sketch it out on paper first, so that you know what you want to do. So this is gonna be the work plane. This is where you want to move your plane. This is for like the home view, which if you just press this, it's just going to go to the regular view. This is fit all view. This is the zoom in, zoom out, and this is the switch to flat view. Now this is the copy. This is the paste. This is the duplicate and repeat. This is the trash. This is the undo. This is the redo. This is the show all. This is the group. This is the ungroup. This is the align, and this is the mirror. Okay, so let's just take in a box. This is a box right here. You can change it whatever you want. You can change the radius, the length. This is what the radius does. Slowly mix it into a circle. You can make this a solid or a hole. I will show in a little bit. So I'm just going to use copy and then paste it right here. And as you can see, now it's flat on, and I'm going to use a hole to make it a hole. Then I'm going to select all of it, and then I will group it, and that will cut it in half. As you can see, this is just one of the many things you can do. I will be doing a lot more models and stuff in future videos, and now let's move on to the circuit to the circuit dashboard. So in the circuit dashboard, you can work with multiple electronics. One is actually included, which is very nice, is the Arduino Uno R3. That is basically a brain that you can code, and you can use sensors, LEDs, wires, resistors, any sensor you can think of. Now let's just create a new circuit right here. So basically in this one, you have like motors, batteries, just a whole bunch of stuff. You can, like, basically if you want to build an actual circuit in real life, and you want to see if it actually works when you will do it, this is the website to go to. Just do your model right here, test it and see if it works, if there are any problems, any bugs or anything. And basically, yeah, and then you can test it in real life, then it'll work. You got a lot of stuff: push button, potentiometer, capacitor, slice switch, 9-volt battery, breadboard. This is the new one. This is the microbit. This is the Arduino Uno R3. This is the vibration motor, DC motor. This is a rotating servo. This is a hobby gear motor. This is I don't know what that is. LED RGB. This is a diode resistor, ultrasonic distance sensor, PIR sensor, piezo, temperature sensor, and multimeter. This is what we're looking for. This is the Arduino Uno R3. It has a volt, ground, analog, and digital. And yeah, that's basically it. This website is really great for anything you want. That includes 3D models and circuits. So yeah, guys, in future episodes of this new series, we are going to be making some incredible 3D designs and some amazing circuits. And yeah, guys, if you enjoyed this video, leave a like, subscribe, comment down below. It's free. You can unsubscribe anytime you want. My goal is 1K, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.